Hi, I'm Two Pants Rotation. Tonight, we're with three noise artists, Marek Rogelski, Jamie Hume, and Adam Park. Tomorrow, these guys are going to be forming a brand new noise band.
Well, a noise band is basically saying go to hell to 4/4 and verse chorus. Western music can be anything. Over to you, Adam.
I don't know.
So these three cunts were in a previous noise band called the Perfect Lovers. Now they're going to start a brand new band by auditioning a member.
Well, we could go on as a three-piece, but still, it's like, well, something lacking. It's just like a fourth element. Just, well, man, we are complete. Fresh.
When we were the Perfect Lovers, we had female members, and now there's only the three of us as guys, so that's possibly the background for us to, want to have a integrated band.
Yeah, they joined as a result of them approaching us, being keen to join.
But yeah.
We get males showing a keen interest also, so
I mean, it's just
no real need to specifically have a female.
Yeah, this is like
it's definitely Jamie's preference.
This is real, man. They're going to be a real noise band and play gigs from here on in.
Onwards and upwards, and let me see. Yes, play. Get out there. Let's take noise further and evolve it. Fresh.
Play, gig, rehearse, not.
That's a dirty word.
Welcome to Noise Idol 2007.
I have no extras with me, so it's just this built-in thing.
Louder, 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 louder. I have no instruments. It's just me and my voice. Just me and my voice. Ooh, yeah. People like to party.
Hello, how are you?
Today I want to show you guys all of my energy.
So this brand new noise band are going to be playing a house show in a backyard. A lot of noise bands in Brisbane play car parks, backyard house shows, alleyways.
That was sick.
The new members were better than the other members.
I thought they were better than the older ones.
So Squeeze the Prosthesis first gig. Woo!
Fresh.